In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect steering wheel to Gran Turismo 7. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up any steering wheel that you have with Gran Turismo 7. This is also going to work for any game that you have available that has native steering wheel support. So Gran Turismo 7 is able to detect any model of steering wheel that you connect to your console. So in this example, I chose the G923, but like I mentioned, literally any steering wheel will work as long as it is from a reputable brand. So all that you have to do is plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and such. So you just plug it into any of the available ports, and as long as the wheel and possibly the pedals are connected, you will be able to use it when you are inside of the game. So unlike PC, you don't need to download any sort of software, it is plug and play. So immediately upon plugging it into the PlayStation console, you will be able to go back inside of Gran Turismo 7. You can join any race, either online or offline, and it should be detected. You will be able to access the settings to change stuff like force feedback, sensitivity, and so on. If it doesn't work right away, then press the PlayStation button on your controller and you might have to assign the wheel to yourself. But after it has been assigned, you will be good to go to use it in any game that supports it. So Gran Turismo 7 will have native support, so there's no issues in using your steering wheel. You will be able to go online or offline and use it. If you try to play a game that doesn't have native support, such as GTA 5, then nothing will happen and there's nothing to do in that case. You might be able to use it if you change it to gamepad mode, but for Gran Turismo 7 and any other game that is designed to work with steering wheels, it's as simple as connecting it into any of the available ports on the console and then running the game with the wheel connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel to Gran Turismo 7. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.